This video will show you how to make up to 2000 today with CPA Marketing and insane self-clicking method system. Live proof is included to help you get started quickly and easily. Learn how to start making money today with the proven self-clicking CPA Marketing method and strategy that I will show you step by step that how you need to do that and step by step how you can complete that, and I'll also show you all the necessary tools actually which is required for self-clicking strategy. Most people getting fail in that, and most people don't know how to do that, and many people in my videos they watch that and then in the comment section they written that we have followed your formula but we did not get the revenue or the money actually, so we only get clicks. The problem with those guys is actually that they're not following the correct method and strategy, what I'm going to share with you. Most of the people follow that, but they're stick into one mistake actually again and again, and they are getting fail in that. So in today's video, I will show you step by step that how you need to follow each and every step carefully actually properly that you can make at the best conversion possible with today's method. So everything will be step by step. You just need to keep watching the video to the very end. So if you're new to our community, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification, and to all whenever we upload new video, you will be notified of that, and you will be the first person to notify from that to get benefit from that. And please don't forget to hit the like button as an appreciation for this video, and subscribe to the channel for future videos and updates actually. So let's begin the strategy and not further waste it up. And one thing more, if you want to have an insane strategy actually for the complete training actually for making money online, so check out the first link and the second link in the description of this video, and you will be ready to a full and comprehensive training from A to Z that you can make money online from that. So first thing first, we need to sign up for a network actually to start generating the best amount of money from that right away here. So for self-clicking strategy, mostly we are using CPA lead. Sorry, not CPA lead, actually cpabuild.com. So you can use cpabuild.com or cpagrip.com. So these two websites are performing the best in self-clicking strategy. Once you do that, the next step is that to sign up and log into your account right here. So once you log into your account, make sure that you simply select the country that you want to self-click on that. So make sure that you choose those country that you have the possibility for that, or you have, for example, the tools for that country to self-click on that. For example, I'm using United States right here, so that's why I have selected United States, and I can simply scroll down and find out one offer actually which suit the best for self-clicking strategy. For example, I'm using this Inter for a 2,500 cash actually, which is paying $1.03. Not bad actually, but good money with free system or free self-clicking strategy. So make sure whenever you are promoting something to make sure that which uh, this offer is available for which device right here. That is the most important and the first step actually that you need to be aware of that. Most people just grab this offer right here because they said that it's paying more money like $2.68 actually, so they grab this offer, but they are self-clicking and they stop more or the PC more. So that is not, for example, the right way actually. And of course, they will not get any revenue. They will earn the self-clicks only right away there. So once you understand, for example, that I'm using in the PC or laptop, so you have to select that offer which is available on the desktop right here. For example, this is the one I can simply select that. So when I have selected this offer, the next step for me is that to grab the CPA link from that. Once I grab the CPA links, then I need to go to another browser and paste it. Suppose I paste it right here, and I need to self-click on that. Means just add my email address and continue. No, that is completely wrong. Many people are doing this strategy, but they are getting fail in that. So whenever you are doing this, So make sure that you have the right tools for that, and make sure you follow the correct strategy and the correct method actually to the very end. For example, I have just selected this offer and I grab my CPA link. The next step for me is that actually that I need to find the tools for that, and I need to do something else actually for that right here. So first thing first, once you get to your CPA link, you just need to have a landing page for that, or at least just shorten with bit.ly or TinyURL. This is the first step right here. To make sure that you simply note each step correctly, that you do not make mistake. The first step was that actually that you select those offers which you have the device for that. The next step is that you copy the link and use with the landing page, or use bit.ly or TinyURL to shorten that link actually. So that is the next step actually that you need to do that. Once you do that, means once you shorten the link, the next step for you will be that actually that you simply just use that link for self-clicking strategy. So the third step will be that actually, for example, you need to change your IP address. For example, now my current IP address is this one right here. So if I use a VPN that really change my location, so that would be the best. So first thing you need to go to whoever.net. Whoever.net is simply showing you the correct IP address that you are located currently in that. So this is my IP address for current time now. So if I just simply use a VPN, what type of VPN you need to use? So for that reason, you simply go to Chrome Web Store and you simply search for hotspot actually. Once you click on search for hotspot, you will have this VPN right here, hotspot shield, okay, which got 68,000 plus reviews, and they got 4.4 reviews out of 5, which is a pretty awesome review, and it is all the correct reviews actually that this is definitely working. So once you do that, you simply click on that. Once you click on that, you will have this page right here. For me, I have already installed, but for you, you just need to add the Chrome button. It will be available here, and you need to install it to your PC or laptop, whatever you are using. So what you use right here, then you simply just go ahead and simply click on that. Once you click on that, simply make sure that you simply turn on that, okay? Once you turn on that right here, the next step is that you go to your IP address right here, okay? Once you go there right here, okay, so make sure that you refresh the page. Once you refresh the page, you can simply see here that it changed the location from my country to United States right here. So now I'm living currently in the United States, and this is my IP address. And most instantly, they are giving me more details as well right here, that what type of Windows I'm using, what type of Chrome I'm using, and what type of, for example, other IP address and country and location or state I'm using. Okay, Piscataway is my state actually, and the country is United States. This is my IP address for more information. So now I set the location. The next step for me is that actually to have the tool, the right tools for that. So for example, if I simply just click on this link right here, the first thing first, they are asking me the email address for that. So once they required me the email address, so of course, if I click on the continue button and I agree with that, so of course they will ask me the phone number. And after that, they will also ask me the complete address, because that is not free. $1 and $2 are not free, that they're giving away, okay? All like that. So you need to prepare some details for them, provide some details for them in order to make money from that. So once you do that, to make sure that you simply go to this website right here, okay? Campmail.com. So you can have unlimited email addresses. You simply just copy on this email address. Once you copy that and simply just come back right here and simply paste it right over here and click with the next option right here. So once you click on the next option, you will be continue that, and you will be asked for phone number and something like that. So once they ask for phone number, so of course you don't have the phone number for that. You need to go to this website, campnumber.com. Once you go to the campnumber.com, You will have unlimited numbers right here. You simply, for each country, you simply just click on that. Once you click on that, you will have available numbers over there right here. Simply just copy that. The greatness about the temp number and the temp email is that actually that you can simply activate your account for verification. Means if they send any verification, you simply scroll down and this box will pop up right here, and that will update the notification, and you will have the code. Simply just copy that code and simply paste it in the browser whatever wherever they need from you. So this is if the last is also remaining, which is also important. The address, you need to have those address that it is verified. So bestrandoms.com is the best option for you. You just go there and you can simply find out best numbers right here, email addresses right here, okay? 6 different addresses they can simply provide you. But if you need for a specific country, for example, that you have turned your VPN, something like that, let me just go to my IP address. This was Piscataway, okay? This is the state. So I need to just copy that from here, which is really important. So you simply just go there and then and the random state you need to add for Pisca that or something like that, okay? That you simply find out that and you simply search for that location right here, okay? So I think it is the city right here, okay? So simply just pass that. Sorry for that. Okay, I just copied the the number. Let me just go back. Okay, simply just copy this city right here and simply go back right here and simply just search for that. If it's required the zip code, so of course you can simply go with the zip code. But if it is only city, so you just need to add the city, so they will automatically give you 6 different address for the same city right here, and you can simply copy and paste. So if you follow this strategy, actually you will not make any mistake and you will not miss any single dime. Actually your money will be converted to your pocket or your wallet very easily without any problem and hesitation. But the last step is also important and essential. Many people do the same strategy, but at the end they are making mistake. What is the mistake that actually they are using the same browser? Whenever they copy the link from here, this tab right here, and they simply open a new tab right here, and they simply paste that and still click on that. No, it's wrong. At least you need to change your device right here. Means if you are using one PC, you need to open another PC and just click on that, okay? And turn all the VPN, each and everything. Means follow the same strategy, whatever I show you right now with another device. If you don't have another device, at least you need to have Chrome users for that. So Chrome user, you can simply find it out, the Chrome user. Let me just show you that how you need to do that. But okay, let me just try. Okay, you can simply scroll down. You can simply see here at the bottom, I just created different users right here. So you can simply create different Chrome users right here. But you will not understand that how I did that or how you can do that, okay? If you don't know, what you need to do right here on the top, let me just show you again. On the top right here, right corner, you can simply have this uh, icon right here, your profile icon. So basically click on that. Once you click on that, you will have this page available and you simply just click on the add button right here. You can simply see here this add button. You simply just click on that. Here you will have the option sign in, continue with an account. If you are signing in, means that will require the brand new email address. So if you're putting new email address, so it's fine. You can create one user, but that should be that email address that you did not use in this device before. This is one step. Means that should be a brand new email address if you're creating this user. But if you are not using that, so you just need to click on the continue without an account button right here, and you can simply, without logging information in details, you can create one account, and then you can simply just paste um, your link inside of that, and you are good to go with that. So that is as simple as this. You just need to give the name something like this, and just create and click on the done option right here, and then you are good to go with that. Means that is as simple as this right here. You see here, we have just created recently. You can simply paste that. And of course, your VPNs have to be turned on in this user, means in this place, not on the previous user. Your VPN have to be turned on in this user, means in this Chrome user. So after that, you can simply paste your link and then go with sale clicking strategy. So this was the complete tutorial that I was about to share with you in today's video, and you will definitely like that and you will be interested in that. Make sure to hit the like button as an appreciation and subscribe to the channel for future videos and updates. If you follow the same strategy what I did right here in today's video, so you will have making money online really easily without any problem, without any hesitation. But make sure that you follow the correct strategy to the very end. What I have shown you right here means simply use the bestrandoms.com actually for the best result and addresses right here. Use champ meals actually, which is absolutely the free services that you can make money from that, and also use the temp emails actually, which is also the best way possible to make money from that right here. So all these methods, what you put together, use the correct way, so of course you can make money from that. So don't forget to hit the like button as an appreciation for this video and subscribe to the channel. If you want to have the step-by-step training, a full training, pick up the first link in the description of this video and you will have the best and possible way that how you can make money online from that. So till next brand video, see you awesome with enjoyable moments.